First thing I do is I buff the metal, get it nice and clean. The TIG weld is only as good as the prep. Here I clean the inside of the pipe just to keep all the carbons and stuff away. Just a little extra precaution when welding. Now I tack it in place, make sure everything's straight and lined up and all the gaps are as close as possible. Now that I have it all tacked together, I buff it one more time, even out the uneven spots with a multi-angle swing press. And then I begin welding it, making sure she's good and strong and airtight. There's the end product, good and strong, and I added an extra gusset just for strength.